Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled extra cheesy, spicy egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our extra cheesy, spicy egg, ham, and cheese sandwich, we have 2 large eggs that we're going to beat up. Yep. And then we have 2 nice slices of bread. And back here we have 2 nice slices of ham. Yeah. And up here we have our green onions, it's about 1/4 cup. Over here we have our mozzarella cheese, that's about 1 cup. And back here we have our Fiesta blend cheese, and that's about 1 cup. And up here we have our spices. Yeah. Look at them. Alright, we got 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Yeah, that ought to do something. That'll make it taste good, a little bit spicy too. Okay. Okay, let's start beating up some eggs. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay, let's get some of this stuff out of our way. We'll put it aside for now. Okay, let's crack a couple eggs. Yeah, what's that shell doing in there? Let's get that out of there. Okay, gotcha. Now to that, we're going to add our spices. Remember, there's 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Yeah, that ought to spice things up a bit. All right, let's put them right in there. And to that, we're going to add about 1 ounce of water, or 2 tablespoons. And we're going to beat that up. Yeah, all right. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our Fiesta cheese blend, and we're going to put about 1/2 of that in there. And we're going to kind of mix that up. Okay. Okay, now let's start cooking our extra cheesy, spicy egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. Yeah, this is going to be tasty. I can smell it already. All right, let's start cooking. Okay, let's set our burner to medium-low. And we're going to put some oil in the pan. And we're going to let that heat up a little bit. Now you can take one of these brushes and go ahead and coat your pan. Get it up on the sides a little. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our egg mixture with all our good stuff and cheese in there, and we're going to put that right in there. Spread it around a little. There you go. And we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Looking pretty good there. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our ham and we're going to put that right in there. And we're going to cover that and let that cook maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's see if we can flip this. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to cook that side for maybe 1 minute. And then we'll fold it in half and we'll put more cheese on there. Yeah. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's see if we can fold this up. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, now we're going to put more cheese on top. Yeah. Because we like cheese. Yep. That's why we call it extra cheese. Okay, that'll be a whole cup of Fiesta blend cheese in there. Alright. And because we like our mozzarella cheese, you know, because it's gooey and stringy, we're going to put some of that on. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take a few of our green onions. We're going to put them on top. Now we're going to sprinkle that with a little bit more salt and a tiny bit of pepper. Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that out of there and we're going to try to get our bread under there. Alright, we did it. Here's our bread. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put a little more mozzarella cheese on there just for good measure. Yeah. Then we're going to take our other slice of bread and we're going to put that right on there. Push down a little bit. Alright. Now all we have to do is toast that up. Okay. Now let's see if we can flip that over. Yeah. It's a big sandwich, so it's going to be a little rough. Okay. Beautiful. Now we'll toast that side. Boy, does that smell good. Yeah. Okay, it's about done. Let's see if we can flip that over. Wow. Oh, wow, is that gooey. Look at the cheese on there. Can you see it? Wow. Okay, that's done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. Okay, let's plate it up. Wow, is that big? Can you see it? Look how big that sandwich is. And the cheese, it's just loaded with cheese. Okay, I can't wait to get into that. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious grilled extra cheesy spicy egg ham and cheese sandwich. And it's got plenty of ham, plenty of cheese. It's loaded with cheese. It's got 2 eggs and a lot of good seasonings in there. Yeah, this is going to taste good. Yeah, I'm going to spin this around so you can see the other side. You just see the cheese oozing out of there. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see it? Here it is. Look at the amount of cheese coming out of there. Wow. Extra cheese. Yep. Alright, let's spin it back. Wow, is that good looking. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a bite. We'll cut her in half. Boy, that's loaded with cheese. Okay, let's just have a bite. Wow, can you see it? How much egg and cheese there is in there? And ham? Oh yeah, extra cheesy. Let's have a bite. Oh yeah. Boy, is that delicious. Wow, is that tasty. The spices are just right. I thought maybe they'd be a little too spicy, but no, it's perfect. The eggs just have enough spice in there, and it's loaded with egg. They puffed up a little bit, you know what I mean, with all that good stuff that's in there, and all the cheese that's in the egg. Yeah. Okay, guys, just go ahead and make them this way, because they're tasty. They're not going to last long if you make a couple of these for the family. No way. Especially in the morning. But I'm having this one for lunch. Yeah, that sounds good. I might just go ahead and have a soda pop with this one, because it's lunchtime. Okay, guys, if you're finding these videos interesting, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I just got to have another little bite. Mmm. Good.